Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you how to get rid of trivia on TikTok. So first of all we will open up the TikTok application here, but before I just wanted to let you know that this feature is only available in the US. Okay, so I am not from US, but I can actually guide you that how you can actually get rid of this trivia feature if you are living in US. So when you opens up your TikTok here, then you have to go into your profile, and in your profile you will find here the trivia option, like trivia tab, and then you just have to tap on that tab there, and then you have to click on the unregister option there, and you will be unregistered from the trivia feature from TikTok. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.